One of the more interesting features in Logos 9 is the ability to create folders on the shortcut toolbar. Now, the purpose of creating a folder on the shortcut toolbar is to organize a group of shortcuts and give them a label. This will give you more space on the shortcut toolbar. So here I have at the right several extra icons. I have a Logos icon, which is a shortcut to a web page. I have a book shortcut, and I have a special search shortcut. Now, for this video, you may not have any shortcuts on your toolbar, or you may have some. In either case, watch the video, learn the principles, and then you can apply them to your particular situation. Now, I'm going to right-click on the Logos icon. A menu will appear. Notice you have a new option, folder : with folder name box. Go ahead and click in that box labeled folder name. Go ahead and type in Bible study with a space between them. Now, this is very important. When you type in a folder name, when you do this with other icons, the folder name has to be the same. Exactly the same spelling, extra spaces, everything. Now, once you type in Bible space study, press the escape button on your keyboard or click off the menu to make the menu close. Our Bible study folder has now appeared on our shortcut toolbar. Go ahead and click to see what's in the folder. Our shortcut now appears in our folder drop-down menu. Now I'm going to repeat this process with the two remaining icons. This time I'm going to right-click on a book shortcut icon as seen here. Let's once again click in the folder box labeled folder name and type in the same folder name as before, Bible study, and then press enter to close the menu. Let's once again click our Bible study folder on the shortcut menu toolbar as seen here. Our shortcut to our book has now appeared in the Bible study folder, along with our other shortcut. Go ahead and click Bible study folder to close this menu. Next, I'm going to right-click on a shortcut to a shortcut that performs a search. As before, click in the folder name box and type in Bible space study. Then press enter to close the menu. Go ahead and click the Bible study shortcut folder. Our shortcut now appears with the two other shortcuts. Now you may be wondering, how do you change the order of the shortcuts? It turns out at this point when this video was made, you cannot drag and drop the shortcuts to change the order. They are sorted numerically first, then alphabetically. In other words, 0 through 9, then A through Z. Therefore, we have to right-click on the shortcut icon and change the name of the label for the shortcut. So I'm going to go ahead and right-click on the first shortcut there at the top, the CBWWBH shortcut. Go ahead and click in the box, Show Label. Then before the label name, type in 03 minus. Now be careful not to delete all the information. When you click in the box the first time, all the information is selected. You then have to click a second time at the far left before the label in order to position the cursor so you can insert 03. Once you're done, press enter and then click off the menu to make the menu close. Let's repeat this process with the other two shortcuts. Therefore, click the Bible study folder on the shortcut toolbar located here. We can see the name change on our shortcut. Let's right-click on the next shortcut as seen here. As before, click in the Show Label box. When it's all selected, click it once again to deselect the highlighted text. Position the cursor in front of the whole label. Then type in 02 minus and then press enter and then click off the menu to close the menu. Let's click the Bible study folder shortcut on the toolbar to change the name of our last icon. Notice that both our icons have been relabeled and notice the sorting order has changed. Let's right-click on our last shortcut to change its shortcut label name. Once again, click in the Show Label Name box. When it's all highlighted, click it once again in front of the label to deselect and then type in 01 minus before the label. Press enter and then click off the menu to close the menu. Go ahead and click the Bible Study shortcut folder on the shortcut toolbar to see our final sort order. Our shortcuts are now in numerical order. Now you may be wondering, why did I do 01? If you were to do 10 or more shortcuts, you need to use double digits because 1 and 10 would be sorted together. But by doing 01 and 10, you'll allow 0 through 9 to go first, and then 10 will be last. So keep this in mind as you try to organize your shortcuts in your shortcut folder on the Shortcut toolbar.